This video will introduce how to use Solidworks Weldment profile to create extrusion part and how to create, edit, and store profile files in SolidWorks. Based on the sketch, we can use structural member to create entity which could be single segment or multiple segments. No matter how many segments, it is a part file, so-called weldment. This is default weldment profile folder and the location. We can create entity as needed. Let's delete the default weldment profile folder and create a new folder. Download extrusion profile from 80/20 and save in a folder. Add this folder to weldment profile file location in SolidWorks. Then create 80/20 extrusion entity. Also, we can create our own weldment profile. Saved under 80/20 folder or other location. It does not work. The reason is the file was saved as part format. So we have to change the file as libfeetpart *.sldlfp. Try again. It works. Let's create another weldment profile. Edit it. Relocate profile. Add the reference point for relocate profile on weldment profile sketch. Thanks for watching and subscribe 3D Space channel.